I was told not to wear sweatpants today, and I do understand why now. You boys and girls are so incredible, and teaching you is my very favorite thing. The educators that are here, every single one of them deserve this award. I do not feel like I am any greater than any of them. It is an honor to represent Drew Central because I do believe this is the best school. I just want to say thank you, and I love you because I feel like you guys, kiddos, are what makes me who I am. My people that I work with are who make me who I am, and you guys are the greatest school because you got the greatest teachers, and I am not the only one up here. You guys are all the ones that make this school so amazing. So give your teacher a round of applause for me.
Congratulations.